Da, 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 da.
Yes, Mimi. Yes. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Mama, what's today? What's today? You don't know. Anyway, Mia is here, by the way. Let me show you guys Mia for a few seconds. Say hi.
Hi.
She has refused to make her hair, you guys, eh? You refuse to make your hair that damn. She has refused to make her hair. I don't even know what else Eliza can do about this her hair, because she has just bluntly refused to make the hair. Today is Thursday, right? Yeah, today is Thursday, and what I want to do right now is to make lunch. This is it's about 12 noon-ish or something, so I need to make lunch. And what I want to make today is jollof rice. I haven't vlogged me cooking in a very long time because there are just other things to vlog other than cooking, regular cooking. So I know that you guys have missed that. Many people have missed me doing recording my cooking while I'm vlogging and all of that. So today I will be, vlogging what I'm making for lunch. I intend to make like garnished jollof rice. Mama, you don't want to make your hair. Oh my god, Mia, I don't understand what's doing you today. Mia Rose's energy these days, I can't keep up. As in, especially now that she's on holiday. I don't know, Nigerian mothers based in Nigeria, how are you guys coping that the kids are now on holiday? How are you coping? Because I need Mia back in school like ASAP, and I just go till next month. Like I can't cope anymore. I'm tired. Her energy is off the roof, guys. Anyway, let's get cooking. There's no time to waste. Let's get cooking.
Mommy.
Yes. I want to cook. Stop. What kind of energy is this? I need to cook, Mama, please, dear. I need to cook. Mia. Okay. Say love you.
I love you.
Kiss them. How are you guys doing? Good morning. This is literally 10 a.m. and I'm getting ready to leave my house. I never leave my house early for a lot of things, but today is different. I have a food tasting job, sort of restaurant review kind of job today at this new restaurant in Abuja called Amazonia. Is that the name? Amazonia. So I'm going there today. I just did my makeup. I'm not wearing lashes because it's not a serious outing like that, so I just skipped lashes. And yeah, I put on my wig cap because I'm wearing wig today, guys. See, maintaining a low cut, like if it's not like a straight up low cut, maintaining it can be really hard. Okay, I'm wearing a wig today because I'm not in the mood to start styling my natural hair right now. I'm wearing a wig and I'm wearing a headband wig. Maintaining this my hairstyle, and it's a lot of work. Like honestly, I prefer, like, if I have something serious to do, I go to the salon, get the hair styled properly, because another thing is that I can't see the back of my hair. So even when I'm trying to use my straightener, which is even too big for like my hair length right now, when I go to the salon, they use like those really tiny straighteners, those tiny ones to like coil the hair. So my own straightener is like what, this big, so coiling it is even already a wahala. The short sides, the top is long, so but the short sides, it's a lot of work trying to like you know, do it, and especially at the back when you cannot even see what you are doing, you know. So it's a lot of work, I'm being completely honest. Somebody asked me recently, how do you maintain your hair and all that? So basically, if I'm not going to the salon to have it styled properly, I just gel it down, to be honest. I just gel it down. I just grab a gel. The gel I use is this one from Eco Style. It's the Eco Professional Styling Gel in olive oil. So that's what I use on days that I can't be bothered with trying to coil it. When my hair is wet from the shower, I just put in something to lock in the moisture, which is probably this one from Mega Growth. I use their Daily Leave-In Strengthener, this one. So I apply that, blow dry the hair, then I just, you know, give it a pat on the side, the natural part of the hair, and I just gel it down. That's what I do, to be honest. Oh, I haven't worn a wig in so long, Jesus. Back home, got home a few minutes ago. I actually stopped at H Medics to get a few things, just to pick up a few things, just like household items basically. I enjoyed my food tasting at Amazonia restaurant. I really love that place. It's so beautiful. You guys would have seen the clips. It literally felt like I was dining in a rainforest, like with the parrots, like the sound of water falling, and then just being in like a forest with all the leaves and the forest like thing. And then the food was equally really good. I enjoyed all the meals I had and the drinks I had. So good. If you haven't checked Amazonia restaurants out, do go check them out. I think they are doing basically more of reservations now from 12 noon every day to like 9 p.m. I think. So go check them out. Their meals are amazing, and above all, the whole experience of being there, you know, the whole rainforest vibe, it's a vibe. Okay, I absolutely love it, and I really love that people are thinking outside the box now when it comes to like restaurants and, you know, where to dine at, because it's one thing to just walk into restaurants and eat food, but it's one thing to have an actual experience. Okay, so yeah, anyways, that's that about that. I stopped by at H Medics to pick up a few things. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's just regular stuff, Sha. Let me just show you guys. Picked up diaper for Mia Rose. We still haven't been potty trained up till now, because I tried to potty train her earlier, like when she just turned 2, before she even turned 2, but she wasn't ready. So right now we are still on it. I've got wipes, and wipes, this one is for myself. Kitchen rolls, Mia's bathing soap. I use this one for her right now. The Johnson's baby soap is what I use for her right now. Kitchen rolls. What else is here? I think that's all in this bag. This bag, I have sausages. I picked up 2 packs of sausages. I actually do prefer this particular brand. I don't even know what it's called, but I always buy it each time I see it. So I bought 2 packs of that. Second pack is in here. Then I got ketchup. I wanted to get the big one, but the big size I was seeing, it was going to expire literally before the year ended. Mia is obsessed with ketchup. I also got some spices. I want to just try out some spices. I'm getting bored with regular spices I have. So I got this lemon pepper seasoning, I got rosemary leaves, and I picked up some gummy bears for Mia. Mia is obsessed with gummies, so I picked up some of that for her. I think that's all we have here.
The next day.
So today is Saturday. I was supposed to go for an event today, but to be honest, a lot has just been happening today that going for that event today will not be possible. I actually wanted to go today, but man, stuff happens, okay? Stuff happens. But really quickly, I want to show you guys one of the things I got the last time I went to the market. The day I went to thrift shop for Mia. I didn't get to show you guys everything I got for Mia Rose because I didn't think it was so necessary like that. I got her quite a number of stuff. I realized that with the rainy season, she barely had a lot of long sleeves and a lot of trouser pants. So I had to like shop for most of that when I was shopping. That noise is annoying me. I also picked up a few things for myself, but not like clothes. They are like workout items. I've been wanting to shop for like workout stuff, and I actually wanted to buy them on ASOS, but for some reason I just didn't get around to actually ordering from ASOS, like ordering workout stuff from ASOS. So I saw like a sports shop opposite like the place I was shopping for Mia stuff, and I picked up a few things. All right, a few things for myself. And to be honest guys, thrifting in Abuja it's not like thrifting. It's like buying things new most times. Well, Mia stuff were like, most of Mia stuff I bought were like 700 naira each. I think I bought the tops for like 700 naira and then the pants for like 800 or something. I can't really remember, but you know I bought like 10 items all in all. And then the shop opposite that shop, I thought it was also a thrift shop, but many things that they had there were actually like really new stuff. So many of the prices were like prices for like new things, 3, 5, 4,000, 5, 6, 7, 8,000, like that expensive. So let me show you guys really quickly the few things I got for working out. So I got this. In fact, this was what I saw on a mannequin outside that drew me to that shop. So it's like a sports bra thing. You guys can see it has like this cute floral details, and it comes with matching pants, like matching leggings. Yeah, so this is what the leggings look like, really cute, and they go with the sports bra, and it's brand new. I think I got this too. This is why I tell you that these things were quite expensive. This was like 8k after bargaining. 8k, crazy, but it was really a good deal, like, because the quality of this thing is amazing. The brand called Xerison with an X, Xersion. Very good quality stuff. So that's what the label looks like. Very good quality, like very good quality. The quality is just mind-blowing. So I'm super happy I got this. Guys, I've been slacking on my workouts regimen throughout the month of July. I don't think I did any correct workout, to be honest. You know, with everything that was going on in July, working out was not part of the plan, okay? So I'm trying to motivate myself to go back into working out. Let's see, what else did I get? Then I got this sports bra, and I got it firstly because of the color. It's like a neon green kind of thing, and this one is literally brand new. You can see the tag is still on it. It's literally brand new. It's from the brand called Avia, yeah. So yeah, I picked this one up, and I really like it, and all these things, they fit me so well. And then finally I got like a workout top I can just throw on top of a sports bra in case I'm going for my early morning runs or early morning walks. So this is what it looks like. Again, the quality of this thing is so good. Like, the quality is really good. It says powerful beyond measure. That's what it says. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. And this one is from a brand called Tech Gear, TEKGEAR, Tech Gear. I probably will go back to this shop sometime next month to get a few things, maybe like 1 or 2 more like workout leggings. I think I need like 2 more workout leggings. I saw some from Puma on ASOS, so maybe I should just get those ones. I don't know, but yeah, anyways, that's what I got for myself. Oh, I got a package from Lush Hair. I put that on my Insta stories literally just right now. I'm working with Lush Hair, the hair extension brand Lush Hair. I have a lot of hair extensions here from them. I have like 6 hair extensions. I don't want to reveal the colors yet because yeah, you'll see all that on Instagram. Go and follow me on Instagram, guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram. That's where all the fun happens. That's where all the fun videos for brands that I do happens. So go and follow. It's always on the left hand side of your screen. Yeah, I'm super excited to be working with Lush Hair. This year has been good. I can't even lie in terms of working with brands. I've worked with so many brands, guys. So many brands this year, and the year is not even over yet. I'm super excited about this collaboration, this partnership with Lush Hair. And yeah, guys, I think that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe down below, share, comment, thumbs up the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.